This dog owner decided his best friend needed some custom-made, all-natural battle armor. His audacious plan? To forge a helmet from a single watermelon.
But before any carving could commence, a crucial quality control test was required. The warrior himself had to approve of the material. The verdict was clear, a resounding success, celebrated with a victory lap around the yard. With the project sanctioned, the craftsman got to work, skillfully hollowing out the rind and carving precise openings for maximum comfort and tactical awareness.